Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I am doing a video tutorial on a technique called spotlighting. So I used, there you go, the perfectly penciled DSP to do this technique. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. We'll start with a card base, measuring 4 1/4 by 11 and scored by at 5 1/2. So I'll fold that down, and I can't seem to find my bone folder. I know it's here somewhere. That'll help make a crisper. Can't find it, but I'm going to set it aside and keep going. Then you need a piece of basic black that is 4 by 5 1/4 and a piece of the DSP that's 3 3/4 by 5. Then you're going to take the circle from the layering circles. I think it's about 2 1/4, and then the scalloped one that's just a little bit bigger. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to spotlight. I'm going to find some flowers I want to really focus on. So I'm going to focus on those right here and then run it through the cut and emboss machine. I'll be right back. And I cut that out there. And get these out of the way. So I'm going to get my blends now. I have Calypso Coral and shaded Spruce, I believe, for the leaves. So I'm going to just do some quick highlighting of the shaded spot with the dark. Of the Calypso Coral, and then hopefully be able to blend it in with the light one just to give it a little more color and shadow, if that makes sense. And any of these papers from the perfectly penned DSP can work. I showed you a few from my samples, and then when I'm done coloring, I'm going to show you the other papers that are also possible to use for this. I love being able to color it any color I'd like. Get those bits of flowers. Do a little highlighting. I think of the leaves. They're pretty dark, but I'm just going to put a little green on the stems, I think, just to highlight that. I think that's good. Oop, I missed one. There we go. Then I'm going to get my adhesive, excuse my reach, the Stampin' Seal. We're going to do a little here, some on the back of the DSP. A little bit there. Kind of frame it with the black like that. And then pop that right there. But I'm going to try to line it up so it actually lines up. See where the leaves have this half of the flower and that half of the flower actually meet. So I'm going to put some adhesive there. We can also pop it up probably with some dimensionals, but I like the spot. Oh, and I noticed that's a flower, so I'm going to go ahead and use just a bit to highlight that. You can hardly tell. But see, is that cool? Then really quickly, I already stamped the thank you and punched out a matching piece of Calypso Coral. So let me put a little adhesive there, a little adhesive on the back of the Calypso Coral. Just kind of at an angle. And put it there. And that's it. Now we're just going to go ahead and put some more adhesive to put it on the card. It's a really simple, easy card. And you are done. So here's one version, like I said, with the paper. Different papers, different looks, different spotlights. And here's a sneak peek real quick of the different papers that are there. And now I have to figure out, if I flip it over, it's a lot of the black and white. So I have to figure out how to accent and use those, because I think those are great designs to use too. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, or share, or all three. And thanks for letting me share this with you, and have a great day.